Hi everyone, I've got a VW TOURAN here. Just doing a pollen filter on this. Going to show you how it's done. It's quite a simple procedure on this one. Now on the bottom here, if you could see the little screw, which is that one there. And then you've got another one on this side. So if I undo this, screw first. It's only a plastic screw, so hand tight, right? And then do the other one as well at the same time. Take this little trim off. Now the whole trim comes out. It's out the way. Now that's the new pollen filter. So you can see there's only one way these pollen filters would go. Right, so this bit here, you need to push back, pull the cover out. Once you pull the cover out, to get a bit more light in there, so it's not the best, but and then you gently pull this out. That's the old one. As you can see, it's quite dirty. Now that's how it's gonna go. So this is how it come out, this is how it's gonna go. Now if I put this on the floor here, now all you see, all the dust from outside has filled this pollen filter up, which is called a cabin filter as well. There's only one way it would go. So if I slot this side in first, but nope, it's not going to do it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to take this trim out. Got the trim out as well. See, now you can get a better view. I'll slot the pollen in. For some reason this is not the right way, so I'm going to do it the other way. So it's going to go in like this. So if I slot it in, this is much better. As you can see, it's sitting perfect now. You've got this cover, right, and you've got little lugs here that would slot into the air filter, the pollen filter, just like that. You can see there now it's slotted into there, so you reverse all, you pull it backwards and then push it forward. So make sure that slots in. So this is lovely. And then all you do, put the cover back on, so the side trim, put this one back on, and as well as this, and that's your job done. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.